What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. Yeah, we still got the Christmas tree up. Yeah, it's the middle of February. It's okay. We sold 21, 23, 25 items online. It kept going up today, so I think we sold like 25 items on eBay and Amazon. Two fulfilled by merchants on Amazon, which I rarely do. Normally I take all my inventory and send it into their warehouses, but I had two items that I had listed and they both sold, so we'll pull those. And then we have like 21 to 23 or something items on eBay that sold. All different price ranges, all different items. Let's get to pulling. Let's see what we got. All right, we sold a couple movies on this shelf right here. I was going through, I have a whole bunch of Harry Potter books that I'm trying to make lots out of, and I was gonna box them up, decided not to. I actually have two complete sets. I sell these all the time on eBay or Amazon for between like $65 and $85 shipped, and they ship media mail. They're not too bad. If you could pick them up for $1 or $2 at your thrift stores, you just need to get 7 of them, the whole series. I had to order one because this is missing one, so I'm paying like $7 for the last book on eBay. But when it gets here, we'll have another complete set. Awesome. That's why that's there. Let's get back to what sold. We sold a DVD, a Blu-ray, which I know is right here. Black Panther, disc only. What I have to do is pull out my phone and look up the prices. So this right here, this Black Panther sold for $7.39 with free shipping. Almost every single one of these DVDs and Blu-rays, almost all of them, I'm into them for about 75 to 80 cents a piece. I got them in a huge lot, so about 75 cents in this and sold for over $7. Not bad. The next one that sold is hidden right back in here. Let's see if we can slide it out. There we go. Iron Man 3 Steelbook 4K. This sold for $15 even, and again, I only paid about 75 cents for this. I got a huge bulk lot of these things a while ago. They've been selling pretty well. I have a miscellaneous box down here. I sold a wallet out of it. Here it is. This Walking Dead Lucille wallet, brand new, sold for $12.04. Free shipping. I pretty much do free shipping for everything on my eBay store. Alright, the next DVD that sold is right here. Inside the Mind of Google, sold for $7.39, I believe. So just over $7. That's about average for DVDs. I sell them between $7 and $10 on average, but you know, sometimes there's ones that sell for more. I think we have a couple to show you. The next one that sold up here is not more than $7. It is Creed 2, sold for $6.44, free shipping. Here we go. This one down here, Tom and Jerry, the Gene Deitch collection? Yep. This one sold for $7.39, free shipping. Here we go. Here's one that sold for more than $7. Batman Begins 4K sold for $14.83. And take a look. This case is destroyed. There's a hole up there. The whole bottom is missing. I showed it off in the pictures and the title and the description. But the discs are in great condition. So almost $15 for this. Super happy. My last copy of Creed 2 sold for $6.44 as well. So I sold both copies for $6.44 each. Here we go. This Monopoly card reader and all the cards in here for an electronic Monopoly game sold for $10.14. I had a Monopoly game that I bought at the thrift store. It was incomplete. I paid like $1 or $2 for it, and this was in there. Tested it, worked good. I was like, well, maybe I could get some money for these. It actually sold pretty quick for $10, so happy to get something out of that board game. I got a whole bunch of these Pokemon cards from McDonald's, and a bunch of them actually sold. I just listed them a couple hours ago. Let's see, one person bought this Bulbasaur right on top here for $10.90. Actually, no, this is non-holo. He bought the holographic one. Let's see if I could find it in here. There it is. This one right here, Bulbasaur holographic, sold for $10.90. We sold a Turtwig. Where's Turtwig? There he is. Right here. It's a turtle wearing a plant as a wig. Holographic, sold for $6.69. And then somebody bought two. They bought Score Bunny and Totodile. There's Score Bunny, there's Totodile. Very nice. They bought both of these for a combined total of $17.87 free shipping. You could get these at McDonald's. I was paying, I believe, $1.59 for a pack of 4. And they, no matter what, come with one holographic in it. And the holographics are selling right now on average of like $7 to $9 on eBay. And yeah, happy with that. Now, of course, there's some that sell for more, like this Pikachu right here. If it's holographic, I see them selling over $50. So it's definitely worth it to go, you know, test your luck, buy a couple. These are non-holos. These are just regular cards. These are still selling for about $5 to $7. And eBay just started a new program where you could ship trading cards and playing cards for $1 with tracking. So it's not like just putting a stamp on an envelope. So I'm going to test that out with these and see how to ship these for $1 each. So I just packaged up that Bulbasaur card. I don't want to show any addresses, but it only cost 51 cents. I thought the minimum was supposed to be $1. I guess not. Sweet. Now, moving downstairs to this inventory, the first thing that sold is a Johnny Lightning car, which is right up here. I believe it's this red one right here. This Ghostbusters, or Christine? Honestly, I don't know what this is. It has a bunch of different pictures on it, but this one sold for $7.63 with free shipping. This PC game right here is Zombieville. Very happy to sell this. I was the only one that had it listed on eBay for the longest time, over a year now. And I started it at like $150, then I brought it down to $100, then $70, then $50, and it finally sold for $37.15. Only paid a couple bucks for it, so I'm still happy with that. And it's light. I think it's going to ship first class. We sold a video game down in here. I gotta go around. Here we go. It's a Sega Master System game. This one right here. Fantasy Zone. Fantasy Zone, the Mega cartridge, and this sold for $41.76. I'm in this about $10, or probably less, honestly. Closer to like $7. This Spider-Man figure finally sold. He's the last figure from a huge like figure and collectible lot that I bought out a year or two ago. No, it was before 2020, so it was 2019 when I bought it. And he sold for $13.90 with free shipping. He's kind of heavy. Hopefully he doesn't weigh a pound. Here we go. The next thing that sold, it is hidden right back in here. There we go. This little Mech Warriors figure I got at a tag sale, actually, a couple years ago. And it's just a little figure inside this cardboard. Sold for $9.29 with free shipping. This tiny little ornament up here, this Finding Nemo, sold for $7.35 with free shipping. Very lightweight, but very fragile as well. I sold 2 of these to the same buyer, these Call of Duty coasters. I have them all in that box right there. So I'm going to have to fish out the other one, but they paid $16 for the pair, so $8 each. They'll fit in one flat rate envelope and cost me about $7 to ship. Another video game down in here, a PlayStation 1 game this time. Let's see if we could find it. There, Dune 2000. Awesome. This game sold for $32.50. Again, I'm in at about $7. And the last game down here that sold is on this pile. Oh, of course, it's the very bottom one. Oh, I hate that. Let's slide these over here. Make sure I don't drop anything. There we go. The Horde for Sega Saturn sold for $60.40. Pretty good deal on this. I sold this Carcassonne game, the sealed one. That one's used, but it's complete in there. But this brand new sealed one sold for $27.85. I don't have much in this at all, a couple bucks. And then one of the items that sold on Amazon is this guy right here, this Minecraft head, cardboard head. I got this, I don't even remember how or when. I've had it for so long. But it finally sold on Amazon. I don't have the actual sold listing up on the screen, but it sold for like $22 plus, I think it's $5 or $6 shipping. It's probably going to cost more than that to ship. I think it's going to cost me closer to like $10 to ship, but that's not too big of a deal. So it is now much later in the day. I've already shipped everything off, but I wanted to just show you guys this book right here that I didn't pull on camera. It's a Stephen King book. It's the very, very last Stephen King book that I had listed. I might have a few that I've unlisted in the garage. I bought a huge lot of first edition Stephen King books from a lady up in Massachusetts about 2 years ago, maybe even longer, for $100. It was a great deal, but on my drive home, I noticed something smelt weird. She was a smoker, and they all smelled like cigarette smoke. So I aired them out in my garage for about 1.5 years until the smell went away. And I've been selling them ever since. It took over 1 year to sit in the garage for the smell to go away. It was insane. I tried the baking soda trick and all this stuff, and nothing worked. The dryer sheet in between the pages trick didn't work. But I finally sold the last book that I had listed, The Eyes of the Dragon, I think, for $25.99. I had originally sold it a few months ago. No, not a few months ago, a few weeks ago. And then the person got it, said they didn't want it, and they returned it. I finally got it back and listed it, and it resold again within a week, maybe. So pretty cool there. Happy about that sale. And then another DVD that I was having trouble finding because it was disc only, but I did find it on the shelf, was this right here, The Call of the Wild, for $12.55. Shipped that off disc only. It was a 4K disc, that's why it was worth, you know, a decent amount of money for disc only. And I got very, very happy with this huge purchase that I bought. It was like 3,700, 3,600 DVDs, Blu-rays, 4K movies, things like that. Yeah, there were a lot of duds. I kind of made lots out of all the duds on eBay, lots of 50, and sold them for between 35 and 40 bucks shipped. They ship media mail, so it's not too expensive to ship, which is nice. And then everything else I've sent off to Amazon. I've been selling on eBay. So all these sales that you're seeing here, of course, it's just eBay besides that Minecraft head I showed you. And I sold a little DVD on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled for like $3.50 plus shipping. Most of my sales, most of my money comes from Amazon. So yeah, a lot of these eBay sales are smaller, lower dollar amounts. There's some higher ones in there. But this is all just things that isn't really worth it for me to sell on Amazon. Maybe they are damaged, so I put them on eBay to show it off clearer in the pictures. And it's just a way for me to recoup my money, make a little bit of money, and I'm totally cool with that. It's no issue at all. Soph is extremely excited to go outside. You wanna go outside? Okay. No, don't jump. She hurt her ankle running around outside in the snow the other day. Let me leash her up. Okay, where's your little collar thing? There you go. And there's a lot of snow out here, so okay, enjoy. So she'll hang out in the snow, and I think it's time to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.